Welcome back to the Typewriter Muse showroom. Bob Marshall here, excited to show you one of the many machines we have here in the Typewriter Muse showroom. 1954 Smith Corona clipper. These clippers are great machines, nice and simple. 1954 was quite a year for America. Millions of these typewriters were being produced and they just had it all figured out. This is a 12 CPI. The only difference in these Model 5s between the clipper and say like a Super Silent has to do with the tab. This sucker has no tab. The car driving by on my street said waved hello, by the way. Smith Corona 1954 clipper. 1954 was quite the year. Naturally, we've replaced the platen, brand new rubber on the platen. This thing's been completely cleaned, gone through, and of course, it comes with the beautiful original tweed case. Isn't that great? Quite a machine. Give us a call. Reserve it today. Pick it up before Tom Hanks comes in and buys it. This is his favorite machine. Did you know 1954... Joe DiMaggio married Marilyn Monroe, and once upon a time, Tom Hanks got to sit and have dinner with Joe DiMaggio. What an exciting time it is to live in a life where so many things can come full circle. 1954 Smith Corona clipper. Come and grab it while you can.